Removing a payment method from Skype is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to manage your payment information effectively. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the application. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods associated with your account. Step 4. Select the payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete the payment method. Click on the appropriate option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the payment method to remove, you will likely be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal of the payment method from your Skype account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove payment methods from your Skype account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Skype's help resources for further assistance.